Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the audio legally and preparing your device. If you have permission or are using royalty-free tracks, choose how to capture. YouTube Premium offline saves for playback, while a recorder app or downloader extracts an MP3/M4A file. Make sure your phone supports the format and you have enough storage. Once done, locate the saved file in Downloads or your recorder folder. Next, connect or prepare for file transfer to the phone's ringtones directory so you can set it later. Now you refine the clip so it works well as a ringtone. Open your file in a simple editor like Audacity, GarageBand, or a mobile trimming app and cut to an attention-grabbing 25 to 30 seconds. You want the hook to start soon. Export or convert to a compatible format, MP3 or M4A at 128 to 256 kbps for consistent playback. Once exported, give it a clear name. Finally, move the file into the phone's ringtones or notifications folder so the system can detect it. Finish by placing the file where the OS expects it and selecting it as your ringtone. Transfer via USB, cloud, or AirDrop and ensure it sits in the ringtones folder. On Android, go to Settings, Sound Ringtone, and pick your new file. On iPhone, import the trimmed file through iTunes or Finder as a ringtone and sync. Test a call to confirm loudness and loop. If it doesn't appear or cuts off, recheck file name, folder location, or re-export with slightly different length as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.